In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Chatgpt into Excel. It's a straightforward process that will enhance your Excel capabilities, allowing you to leverage the power of AI directly within your spreadsheets. This integration can help automate tasks, analyze data, and even generate text-based insights, ultimately elevating your Excel experience to a whole new level. To get started, first open Excel on your computer. Make sure you have a compatible version that supports add-ins. Most recent versions do, but it's always a good idea to double-check if you're working with an older version. Once you've got Excel open, you'll want to head over to the Inserts tab. This is where all the magic begins, as this tab offers a plethora of options to expand the functionality of your Excel setup. Next, in the Inserts tab, locate and select Add-ins. Add-ins are essentially little apps that extend what Excel can do, and integrating Chatgpt this way will allow you to have conversational AI at your fingertips while working with your data. Click on it, and this will open up a new window or pane where you can manage your add-ins. Now, within this add-ins window, you'll want to use the search bar to look for Chatgpt in Excel. Be mindful of the results, as you'll want to choose the one specifically designed for Excel. Once you find it, go ahead and click Add. This action will initiate the download and installation process. Don't worry, it's typically quick and easy, and Excel will guide you through the steps. You might need to give it a moment for the add-in to be fully integrated. With the add-in now downloaded, you're ready to finish setting it up. Excel will provide a series of prompts, directing you to allow necessary permissions and confirm the integration settings. It's crucial to follow these prompts so that Chatgpt works effectively within your Excel environment. Make sure you're connected to the internet throughout this process so everything installs smoothly. Now that you have everything set up, you're all set to start using Chatgpt through Excel. Whether you're crafting complex formulas, digging deep into data sets, or just needing a bit of creative inspiration for that next project, Chatgpt is here to assist you. Simply open the add-in whenever you need a bit of AI assistance, and you'll find it ready to help. With this integration, you can transform how you handle data and text in Excel, leveraging AI's capabilities to boost productivity and creativity. Experiment with its features, and you'll soon discover how much more you can achieve with Chatgpt seamlessly working alongside your Excel tools. Enjoy exploring these new possibilities, and happy data crunching.